In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Tableau and Power BI, here's my experience after using both for about 6 months. Both are powerful business intelligence tools, but they have different strengths depending on your needs. Tableau is amazing when it comes to data visualization. I really like how flexible and interactive the dashboards are. Creating beautiful reports, exploring data, and finding patterns feels very natural. For analysts who work with complex data sets and want maximum creative control, Tableau is one of the best options. The downside is the price. Tableau can be expensive, and the learning curve is a bit higher, especially if you're new to BI tools. Power BI takes a different approach. Its biggest advantage is the Microsoft ecosystem. If your company already uses Excel, Teams, or other Microsoft products, Power BI integrates extremely well. It's also more affordable and easier for many teams to adopt quickly. The drawback is that some advanced visualizations and customization options don't feel as flexible as Tableau. Power BI is powerful, but Tableau usually gives more freedom when designing complex dashboards. One thing I'd pay attention to is your existing workflow. If you're a large company with advanced analytics needs and a focus on visualization, Tableau may be worth the investment. But if you want a cost-effective solution that works smoothly with Microsoft tools, Power BI is a very strong choice. For me, Tableau wins for visualization and analytical flexibility, while Power BI wins for affordability and integration. The best tool depends on whether your priority is advanced data storytelling or easy business adoption.